everyone, welcome back to Valvetronic Designs. And behind me, the V10 masterpiece. This is an E63 generation BMW M6 with the absolutely, utterly insane Formula One car derived S85 block engine. Now, from factory, you've got your headers, which are very, very cool actually. They're equal length configuration from factory. Runs down, you've got your secondary cats, you have a mid resonator as well. What we've done to this M6 is we've just done a simple rear muffler delete. Very simple, and we put the universal mufflers in place of those rear mufflers in order to give this V10 powered M6 some more flexibility. In the past, when they had like the Eisenman rear section and all these great systems, the cars weren't actually that loud, and so everyone just resorted to do a muffler delete. Now, with this car, you can see the mufflers are out to the side. We took the rear mufflers off when we put the universals on, single to dual configuration with a set of quad tips as well. Looks absolutely sensational. The black really complements the car well. In this video, we're gonna showcase why the Valvetronic universal mufflers are so much better than either like an Eisenman rear or a muffler delete. Huge flexibility, great on throttle sound, and that flexibility is really important because these engines do get quite drony. Startup, revs, flybys, we're going to do a launch, we're going to do some interior accelerations as well, and we're going to put a GoPro on the rear bumper as well, so you guys know exactly how good your S85 can sound with this one simple modification. The car behind me, bone stock, and we're going to show you how much better it sounds right now. Let's get to it. right, people, inside the V10 powered M6. Right now we got the top down and we're driving with the mufflers closed. And I gotta say, it's like the car's bone stock in here. I know that my script for a lot of these videos is exactly the same. It's because the product works so well on a V10 powered M6 like this, Ram TRX, Subarus, Hellcats, whatever. This muffler has been designed to work super dynamically on all applications because we want you guys to be able to enjoy what is, quite honestly, such a fun car. I mean, this is just ridiculous. I don't know how BMW, how do they even make this? They were like, yeah, V10, word. And they put this in this car, and everybody did muffler deletes, they did the Eisenman setup, all these other setups, but this is just so much better. With the valves closed, sounds like it's bone stock. Now, we'll open it up. You get some more bass behind you, which is nice. Putting myself in the M dynamic mode, and I'll raise my shift settings. Again, kind of E60 things. We're still gonna let the car warm up to its proper operating temperature. Those rod bearings, we do not want those escaping out of the bottom of the engine. So we're gonna warm it up and then we'll give you guys some on throttle sound here shortly. Now we've got some oil temperature. You get a really nice OEM plus level of sound. It's not overbearing, it's nothing crazy. But these cars are known, listen to the overrun, wow. Woo! Even with some upper bleed. And the transmission, we know the SMG is not the best, but this thing is fun, you know? Wow, wait, the overrun cracks are nutty. Listen to the overrun. Woo. And again, too, everything stock. Stock headers, stock cats, and has the original resonator in place as well. Really a nice setup. Woo!
It sounds good.
Yeah, why would you buy anything else? I don't get it. Oh man, I want the Eisenman. I want to spend $4 grand on some oval shaped tips. Get the fuck out of here, bro. It's like a nice level of sound, you know? Like if BMW optioned when this car was brand new, an OEM like BMW M Performance exhaust, I feel like this is what it would sound like. F80, one of our M-powered brethrens. Level of sound like this, maybe with combined with some like Venturi intake, something would be a great level of sound.